Greetings everyone and welcome back to Dino's Dinners. Tonight we're going to cook lobsters. Whole live lobsters. So, oops, there's bugs in the house. Let me give you some useless information about a lobster. If you see right here at the bottom, you see this? Right here, these two thick prongs, you see that? Are stiff and hard. That makes them a male. On the female, these two prongs are really soft and oh, here. There. They're soft. That's a female. So, write that down. And if anybody asks, you can let them know how smart you are. Have you ever wondered who the first guy was to look at a lobster and think, man, he looks delicious? Yeah. Okay, so let me redo here. Okay, here we have a pot of boiling water. We're going to put these guys in. The male lobster is calm and reserved. He won't make any sounds. However, the female is going to yell and scream. Oh no, help, help, I'm not, oh my God, I'm not, oh, whew. All right, 20 minutes. 20 minutes, we'll be done. It's called taps. Okay. Now, it's been 20 minutes. Let's see what. Yeah. Oh. Well, shit. Ow! Whoa, that's hot. All right, we gotta do something here. Okay. This baby had to get away from me now. Orange is good. See how the tail's flipped underneath? That's good. Oh, there we go. I want to get all the water out of it. Yeah. Okay. Take them to the table and I'll show you how I eat pretty much most of these boys. I don't usually eat 2 lobsters in one sitting. However, tonight I'm celebrating my son's financial independence. He was dealing with a bank that was trying to screw him, and he ended up taking them for $360,000. So I am very proud of what he's done. Okay, here's a claw. I'm going to break it backwards. Drain the water out. Pull out the thumb. Okay, that one's empty. Sometimes they're not. See, there's a little tiny thumb. See that? See that? Okay. And then just crack this baby. Shell. Shit. This is why they give you a bib. Oh. Little tiny prongy thing. Okay. Take this, dip it in the butter. There's the thumb. So good. Yep, time's out too. There's the thumb. Little tiny thing. Isn't that something? Where's that? Here's a shell. There's the thumb. Look at the difference. I mean, wouldn't you think there'd be a lot more meat there? Look at that. There we go. Thumb, claw, finger, whatever. Melted butter. Oh man, that is so good. Next, what a lot of people don't do is take these legs off. Ow. There's meat all through here. It takes a little effort and a sharp fork. Meat. More meat. Yeah, this is why they give you bibs. It's so good. Figure, as expensive as the lobster is, you want to get every piece of meat out of it that you can, not just the claws and the tail. those parts. Now, tail, take and break it sideways. Break off the fins backwards. Take your thumb, push in here. Normally you can pull them out. There we go. There we go. Come on. All right. I don't have a knife with me. These tails are what you pay a fortune for at the store, but they're not. This is a Maine lobster. The lobster you buy in the store are from down south, lobsters that don't have claws. Oh my God. Delicious. Now, for most people, that would be it. But no. There was so much more. That's good. Inside, there's what they call a delicacy. Sometimes it's green, sometimes it's yellow. It's this stuff. See? You see that? I know you think this is disgusting. What's considered a delicacy. So good. My father and I used to go to Connecticut in his truck and bring back a whole truckload of lobster. We would cook them for 10 minutes and put them in the freezer. Then we wanted to eat them, we'd take them out and cook them for another 10 minutes. Now here's something else you can do. There's meat in this part of it. Look at this. You got 4 legs here, 4 legs here. Kind of like a spider, an arachnid. Again, can you imagine anybody who saw this and thought, damn, that looks good? No. Anyways, pull this apart. It's like crab meat. In here between the legs, you got big chunks of meat. Real meat. You can shred one of these babies. Well, I won't waste all your time with this, but yeah. See how there's all kinds of meat in here. In addition to that, the legs. Now this is going a little overboard, but you can actually suck out meat from the legs. Get your wife to show you. Your girlfriend. But anyways, we'll work on that later. I don't want to waste all your time watching this crap, but yeah. That's how I eat a lobster. I make sure I get as much meat out of these babies as I can. They are delicious. Any question, comments, or whatever, please feel free. Please subscribe. I appreciate everything, everybody out there. Thank you so much. TTFN, ta-ta for now.